Hi, everybody. Andrea Majewski here with Clean Eating Without Sacrifice. Let's talk about Epicure as a team. So, whether you're in Canada, Epicure is actually coming to the States soon, early 2019. I'm so excited because I probably know more people in the States. I don't know how that happens, but probably because a lot of my students that I teach, I'm a dental hygiene teacher. Well, not teacher, but tutor. I tutor dental hygiene students and dental assisting students, and they all seem to be from the States, or at least the majority. So Epicure, so they see me online. They know I sell Epicure because, heck, I talk about it because I love it. I order for myself all the time. But a lot of people, even from the States, have been asking me to just kind of talk about the company a little bit. Why am I a part of it? What, like, do you have to place certain orders per month to stay active, to be a part of the company? Do you have to sell, that kind of thing? So what I can tell you is, at least for Canada, so if you're watching this in the States, it might be different when we come to you, but I doubt it. It will probably be the same thing. In Canada, we do have to sell $250 a month of products. And trust me, that may seem like a lot, but that's really, really easy. I don't spend $250 like every 3 months for myself, but combined with just like a customer order here, a customer order there, I do try to do the larger orders each month so that I can put them all under the same party, we like to call it, so that I get additional free stuff and half off items for hosting a party. So when you hear me talking about parties, I'm not saying that I'm throwing home parties on Epicure products, because I don't have time for that, and that's just not something that I enjoy doing. I did it a couple times. I'm not saying I hated it, but I just won't do them again because it takes a lot of my time. It takes your time, the setup, the preparation, the 3 hour event, going home, cleaning up, things like that. It just takes a lot of time. So when I say party, I just mean like me posting in my Facebook page that I'm throwing in a bulk order. Who wants to order from me? They save on shipping. That's it. And throughout the weeks, like, I'll probably post once a day just about an Epicure product. I will post a picture about my order that has come in. I'll post pictures of other customer orders so that I can show people, yes, people are buying Epicure. I do love posting a lot of comparisons, meaning I will take my Epicure, Chipotle seasoning, and I will post a no-name Chipotle seasoning, and you can see all of the chemicals on the label on the no-name one. But with Epicure, it has like 3 ingredients. I can't think of them now, but they're all healthy. No additional chemicals that you can't pronounce. So I like to post those. And that's how I make my money. People see those posts as an example and go, oh my God, I just looked at my no-name Chipotle seasoning, my no-name chicken seasoning, my no-name steak seasoning, and oh my God, it's disgusting. So does Epicure have a steak seasoning, a Chipotle seasoning, a sea salt? I will just order from you from now on, because clearly the ingredients are a lot better. It's that easy, you guys. I'm not a pushy salesperson. I don't sell. I do tell people that I do sell Epicure, because if they don't know, then they're just going to go to somebody else, right? And I want them to come to me. Plus, I do always ask if people have questions. So after somebody orders from me, I don't just leave it alone. I send them a post like a week later to follow up, and they will always order more from me. So that's how I make that $250, sales quota that you have to do every 3 months. But it makes sense, because they don't just want somebody sitting around, I guess, doing nothing. They kind of want you to make money, and then to tell other people how you're making money, and then to buy Epicure, to try Epicure, and that's how it all starts. So Epicure sells itself in the sense that we all have to eat. We all need herbs. We all need seasonings. We all need spices, but they like having other people sell that for them. So that's just the main thing to mention, is that you do need to sell $250 every 3 months to stay active. If you're concerned about training where you're not sure if you know how to sell, you've never done it before. I had never done it before either, but we do have trainings inside for you that are so easy. They're like, sorry, that was my dog. Like 5 minutes each, 6 minutes each. That's it. They're super easy. You can watch them while you're doing laundry, cooking, cleaning, whatever. That's what I did. You don't have to come on YouTube like I'm doing now, but that's just something that I like to do. And that's helped me get actually more customers and more people on my team too, which I love. To keep it the bare minimum, all you have to do, I would suggest, is to post on your personal page, and maybe a couple times a week about Epicure, not selling it, but just kind of posting about the new spice you got in the mail, posting comparisons. That's, I'd say, the bare minimum. Take it a step up, and that would be to create your own Facebook page and post every single day inside that page, and only invite people who want to be invited and who want to learn more about Epicure. That, I would say, is the bare minimum. Compensation for every order, depending on where you are in the company, you will start off at 20 to 25% commission. So you make 20 to 25% commission on everything you sell. How simple is that? And if you have somebody under you, under your team, you also get a commission from everything they sell. So that's pretty cool, right? But one of the most exciting things is you always get an amazing kit. Now that's exciting to me because you will get like $300 worth of products for only $175, Canadian. So that might be different for you guys in the States. But if you love Epicure and want to try it, getting $300 worth of product for only $175 is a great way to try it. Anything you do not want, sell it. It's that easy. And it was like Christmas. I got my box in January of last year, and it was 2 big boxes. The mail person, the person who delivers the mail is like, oh my God, this is really heavy. Do you want me to help you bring it in? I'm like, okay, sure. Thank you so much. And they just, brought it in for me because the 2 boxes were so heavy. So that was exciting. So if you're excited, other people will be excited too. And I'll say it again, we all have to eat, and it's cheaper to cook from home. So who doesn't want to save money? Who doesn't want to eat healthier, and who doesn't want to eat yummier food and cook a lot faster? I don't know, we all want to. So I hope that answered your questions. If you're from Canada, the States, it doesn't matter. Comment if you have any other questions, and I am so happy to answer them. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.